I took my troubles down to Madame Rouge. You know the gypsy with the gold-tipped tooth. She's got a bag on 34th and Vine, selling little bottoms on Love Potion number 9. I told her that it was a club with chicks. I've been this way since 1956. She wrapped up that bottle, she made a magic sign. She said, what you need is Love Potion number 9. She bent down and turned around to give me a wink. She said, I'm gonna mix her up my head in the sink. It smells like turbans, I look like India ink. I had my nose, I closed my eyes, I took a drink. I didn't know it was a day or night. I thought of kissing everything inside, but when I kissed the count and then it for the vine, it broke my little bottle of Love Potion number 9. I hit my nose, I closed my eyes, I took a drink. I didn't know it was the day or night. I started kissing everything inside. I had so much fun down and going back again. I wonder what